What's up, players? I am coming to you guys with a 14-inch bob from Tinashe Hair. They did sponsor this video, but all I'm really doing is showing you guys how I apply my summertime wigs, okay? Because I'm gonna be honest with you, it's summertime, my hair, my natural hair draws in like a lot. Okay, like wintertime, I'm never afraid of rain, I'm never afraid of anything, but as soon as summertime comes, I could do a twist out, and from the humidity of Georgia, it will be completely puffed out in the next 3 hours, okay? So it is wig season, all right? I will leave you the link to this wig because this is like a very, very simple, easy wig that if you're trying to get into the wig game, or maybe you're just trying out your first wig, this is a great first wig starter, okay? I will leave the link to Tinashe and their website and everything down below. Now, all I'm doing here is literally like plucking the hairline, okay? This is what I mean by this wig is super simple, okay? All I'm doing is plucking the hairline. It is a lace frontal, so you really want to make sure that you get in there and kind of make the hairline as sparse as possible. So you could literally be doing this for like 30-45 minutes if you are someone who does not have a thick hairline. Now for me, I actually have a pretty thick hairline, and it looks kind of weird sometimes if my hair is plucked too much. So I was really going for an Addams Family Wednesday type look. Like, you guys know who Wednesday is. Like, I love Wednesday and I love her hair. I don't know why, but that's what I was going for this week. So I'm not going to pluck it too much, but you can definitely pluck it a whole bunch if you would like. I mean, the more you pluck it, for you guys who don't really have a thick hairline, the more natural it's gonna look, okay? And I'll talk more on that later, but let's get into how I install it, all right? I'm actually gonna be using the same method that everybody and their grandmama's been using, and I'm just gonna poke a little hole in my wig cap. Now, here's the thing. I know you guys notice I'm using a completely brown wig cap, but you can use a light wig cap if you would like. That is up to you and the way your scalp looks. I just find that the lighter wig cap highlights the knots on the wig cap. Or I don't know if that makes sense, but I just feel like you can clearly see the knots. Since I did not bleach these knots, I don't really want that highlighted. So I'm gonna go in with my Got2Be Freeze Spray, and I'm just going to spray the hairline of this wig cap. Now, what's really easy about this whole process is I'm not using a blow dryer. Cutting those holes in my, like where my ears are, just keeps it laid down, and I can just spray it and go like sit for like 5-10 minutes, and bam, like it's completely stuck on there like if I would have used a blow dryer. So yeah, pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. So let's flip this wig on so you can get a better look at what I meant by 14-inch bob. This thing is super simple. This is like the simplest wig that you can get. So for those of you guys who are always really terrified wearing wigs and feel like it's going to be too much hair, like you guys normally don't see me with short wigs, but it's summertime, it's hot. This is like what you want to go for during the summertime when you're trying to protect your hair, okay? So all I'm doing here is really pinning my hair back so I can go ahead and cut this lace off. Now look at that wig cap, okay? You would, I know y'all was kind of nervous. Y'all was like, bro, this is definitely not matching your skin tone. But that wig cap is actually beautiful for people of color, okay? Like, it's not too much. It's not highlighting any of the knots. Nothing like that. All right, now you can go in and bleach these knots if you want to, but like I said, this wig is actually pretty okay with the knots, especially when you go in and you pluck your part. It's actually pretty okay. I mean, you know, you can get away with it if you use this color wig cap. So I'm just going to hurry up through this little part here because, mind you, this is supposed to be a quick and simple, easy wig. That's all I really want to come to you guys with in these 2K19 summer months, are really quick and easy wigs. Like, that's what I want to show you guys, okay? Because I noticed these wig processes can be like a really long thing, and I am a lazy natural, okay? So I want my wigs and protective styles to be lazy as well. Now, in order to get the wig to stick on, I'm just going to spray some more Got2Be Freeze Spray. And then I'm going to go ahead and place the wig on top of the freeze spray. Now, here's the crazy thing. You see how my hair is like really, really far back? You know what I mean? If you saw it, okay? If you saw it. I'm going to show you more of what I mean a little bit later, because right now what I'm going to do is let it marinate. And I just have like this really cool little satin headband thing that I cut. And I'm just gonna place that to make sure that everything melts together. Literally, this is the quickest I've ever done a wig, but I really want you guys to try and speed up you guys' process, because I know a lot of you guys don't like wigs, but your natural hair, it's not worth, if your hair is like real sensitive to humidity, it's really not worth trying to do twist outs and braid outs and risking all that breakage and just having your hands in your hair when you can throw on a wig. Okay, Tinashe has a bunch of different wigs that you can pick from, and like always, this is hair that they have sent to me. I really like the hair, but I am not their customer service. I do not know if you're going to receive the same kind of hair that I do, but I really hope so. They've really communicated with me. They seem like good people, so definitely check them out. Communicate with them before you purchase. I mean, that's really what you kind of have to do when you're going off of a YouTuber's recommendation. Make sure you are communicating with any company that you purchase for. Heck, whenever I purchase from Pretty Little Thing, I let them know I'm coming, okay? I communicate, all right? Before I purchase from Fashion Nova, I definitely communicate with them, because sometimes Fashion Nova be taking my order and then let the whole package get there to give me 3 slips that be like, hey, we actually didn't have your order, so here's a gift card, because they don't do cash back, okay? Or they don't do refunds. So you make sure you're communicating with everybody, okay, honey? All right, all right. But anyways, I'm just straightening the hair out because, like I said, I really want to go for that Gothic Wednesday look. I don't know. Does anybody else do that, where like you go for a look? Now, the hairspray I'm going to be using is my old reliable Bedhead by TG. I love Bedhead. You guys know I've represented them on my channel before. I don't know. I'm a Bedhead kind of girl when it comes to my wigs, my straight hair, anything that deals with the hairspray. Like, they are always my favorite. But I just want to give you guys a real good look of what this looks like, because that is what your girl was rocking. Like, I was out here really living it up. And then the next day, I don't know what happened, but like, I was like, let me put some black castor in my hair, and bam, that is exactly what happened. Okay, we all know black castor oil is an extremely heavy oil, but yeah, I put some black castor oil in it on accident, and it really made the hair look super synthetic. So if you're into synthetic wigs, you can definitely throw some black castor in there and get that look. However, this is how I actually wore my hair. Unfortunately, I did not have the clips for when I took the band off, because once I saw my hair, your girl was done. Okay, your girl was absolutely done, and I was ready to walk out. I think I went to a party that night rocking my little hairdo. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this review. I really hope it helped you. Don't forget to click that thumbs up and subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.